parents are no different than any other family. You know, they have pressures put on them at Christmas. They have families of their own. They have children of their own. You know, some of our foster parents are grandparents, so they want to see their grandchildren, they want to see their children, and here we are telling them to keep it small. So for some foster parents, you know, that's perhaps not a movable feast or a doable feast, and we have to respect that, and you know, help them think about measures that could just make it a little bit easier for the child, that might be, you know, so that if the child is really finding it difficult to be amongst so many people and they want to stay in their room, allow them to stay in their room, allow them perhaps to come down for dinner a little bit later, and then perhaps you sit with them when they're having dinner a little bit later. So because we want, yeah, we ask a lot of foster parents. They actually give up a lot to foster. I don't think anybody, unless they've been in fostering, realises the commitment and the compassion that foster parents have, and how they have to constantly be thinking. You know, they need to respond rather than react, so they constantly have to think. And as we all know, emotional times like Christmas, sometimes thinking is a little bit difficult because we're just so caught up in the flurry of everything. So we're asking them to think as well, and that is really difficult. But what we want is, we know that when they offer a home to one of our children, to a foster child, their environment will be changed. The shape of it will change. The shape of things that they've done in the past will change. What we don't want it to do is to bend so far out of shape that it breaks. So we want to help them think before about what sort of shape will that take, how far can they move, how far can the foster child move, so that hopefully within a couple of years they can all move together and they can enjoy what they enjoyed maybe, you know, the year before the foster child came into the home. But things will be different. When you foster, Christmases will look different.